tackle about why personal relationships are important. Okay, healthy relationships are vital component of the health and well-being. So we all need emotional support from the other people such as family, friends, classmates, relatives, or etc. that they will provide emotional health care, such as comfort kanila when there's a problem.
Karamay.
To overcome that situation, we all need that people around us. So, this consists live longer. A review of 148 studies found that people with strong social relationships are 50% likely to die prematurely. So this states that kung maayo ka mo socialize or makaistorya sa mga tao-tao, so 50% daw sa nanas na mamatay. So this explains why dapat istorya dito sa mga tao sa Okay. So we proceed to deal with stress. Deal with stress, the support or offered by caring friends can provide buffer against the effects of stress. So this provides the example of friends. Friends can provide emotional support, like they care each other or nag-istorya sila about the mga problems of how they fix it in loving way or caring way. Muna siya. Okay, did someone want to explain this difficult here?
Number 2, Vince.
I care about again. So, be healthier. According to the psychologist Sheldon Cohen, college students who reported having a troubling relationship are half as likely to catch a common cold when exposed to virus. So, having a strong support or relationship kay makapusok na siya sa itong immune system, and immune system is the one who protect us from viruses and common cold that sipon. Okay. Well, Richard, a survey by National Bureau of Economic Research of 5,000 people found that doubling your coverage has the same effect on your well-being as 50%. So, this kanang pinainom dili ana kung daghan daw kay friend, murag 50% ito daw na mataas imong income. So, murag ginano niya sa friend. Same as relationship na one. So, depression. Loneliness has long been commonly associated with depression, and now researchers is backing correlation of a 2012 study of the cancer patients found that those with fewer satisfied social connection experience higher levels of depression rate. Okay, now let me explain what is depression. So depression is a mental health that makes you feel down. So this commonly na makita dyan mo siya sa mga tao nga na ay lonely or lonely din sila pinauhi. So kung mag-isa lang ang tao, we need to
Comfort.
in order to avoid such as depression, because we all know naman that depression might lead to death because of suicide thoughts. Yeah, we all know naman that every year has a suicide. Panagsan na siya sa mga bikti-bikti. Ay, lagi na siya. Okay. Decrease immune function. The author of the same study also found a correlation between loneliness and immune system dysregulation, meaning the lack of social connection can increase chances of becoming sick. So, this indicates that kung gamay ito, dili ito may ganang istorya sa mga palimot-palimot or Tapos, such as family, friends, lovers, LBC, etc. Then, panagsa daw, mapunan ng mga tao na makapatch up ng mga sakit. So, ano yung ginapasabot nila? Okay. High blood pressure. University of Chicago researchers studied a group of 229 adults over 5 years found that loneliness could predict higher blood pressure. 11 years later, indicating that the effect of isolation have a long-lasting consequences. So, ang ipasabot nila is did some students catch up to our tackle? Kaya iba nung masagot ito yan. Oh, wala man daw. Okay. So, ang istorya din nila ni Aishay.
Oh, makaraw.
Ito ka niya, muli ko sa muting mo para makabalo po mo. High pressure. So, ipasabot din nila kung lonely daw kay ka or naka-isolate ka, ikaw na mag-isa, most likely to have a chance of long-lasting consequences that will need to be responsible, such as high blood pressure. We all know naman that high blood pressure is not good for health. It might lead to death, di ba? So, we all need is social and emotional support from our family, friends, or people. Thank you. So let's proceed. Most common relationship problems. Here is the most common relationship problem. Most of the also. Ano yung ang sa mga relationship? Ay, nagamit yung mga